I absolutely love Thursday Boots boots. I have a lot of different pairs of them and they all fit great. They're comfortable, they are stylish, and they're made with good quality materials. However, I've always been very skeptical about getting their shoes. For whatever reason, I just thought that a shoe is a shoe. How good can it really be? Are you just overcharging me for a basic shoe just because you make good quality boots? Those were my honest skepticisms that I had. But despite all that, I still went out and I got some, and these are my thoughts about it. Before I share my thoughts with you, I just wanted to let you know that these are the Premier low tops. These are the quartz in white, and these are the quartz in granite. They all look beautiful, as you can see. I decided to get a white kind of aesthetic because it's about to be summer, and I just felt like this was a versatile color to go with a lot of different outfits, and so I just went with the basic white girl kind of shoe. so here we are. So these are my thoughts, and just to be quite frank with you, I absolutely love them. They far exceeded my expectations of what a quality of a shoe could be like. I have like a $30 pair of this exact same style shoe from H&M, and it honestly feels like a $30 pair of shoes after I've tried this. This thing just completely blows it out of the water for the quality of this shoe. It just feels so much better all around. The first thing I love about it is the comfort is on another level. They use this really nice leather material. It's white Napa Italian leather for the white part, and then they also use leather for the sole and for the whatever this part of the shoe is called that goes around your ankle, and it's very squishy. It feels like a nice quality leather couch is what I'm standing on. So it's very cushiony, it's very soft, and very supportive. I honestly can be on my feet all day with these shoes, and I feel great. My feet aren't getting sore, I'm not getting tired. They honestly feel very nice to wear, and I never had like a break-in period. They were comfortable right out of the box. But the nice thing about leather shoes is usually the longer you wear them, the more form-fitted they feel on your foot. So I can only imagine these are going to become more comfortable the more I wear them. So I honestly never thought I'd be able to recognize the difference between a cheap shoe and an expensive shoe like this, but I honestly can tell a huge difference. Not only is this more comfortable, but I also think it looks way more stylish. I don't necessarily know what makes me think that. It could be the quality of the materials that they use, but honestly, I think it really comes down to the design choice. I like the fact that they added more eyelets and there's more laces going back and forth. I feel like that makes it look sleeker, it looks nice, and it elevates the overall style of it. So to me, I like that style choice, and just the stitching and the overall materials and the fact that they use silver eyelets right here. All of that in a combination makes for a nice looking shoe. And I know I've been showing you this Premier low top. Honestly, I think this is my favorite comfortable shoe from Thursday Boots. However, the Court is my most frequently worn shoe. I tend to gravitate this just because it has a more casual look. I feel like this is a little bit more on the business side. So when I'm wearing like chinos or something like that, I'll gravitate towards this shoe. But if I'm just wearing jeans or if I'm just going out with some friends, I'll typically toss these on because they have that more casual vibe, especially this gray suede accent I feel like gives a more casual vibe. Again, I can just choose to wear this and just rock the clean white look, which always looks good. It's always acceptable. But if I want to be a little bit more, I don't know, stylish or just change my look a little bit more, I'll toss these on. I love both of them. However, I feel like these are just slightly more comfortable. I think the reason I say that is because these feel like they have a little bit more room for my foot to breathe in versus these are just slightly more snug. And I'm just talking about like a minuscule difference. They're both very comfortable and they're both a nice quality pair of shoes. These are actually also made with the same white Italian Napa leather as these ones, so same material, same style. There's a $5 difference between this shoe and these, and I don't know why it's a $5 difference. Maybe the design, maybe there's more stitches in these ones. Maybe because there's holes in them, and it just took longer to poke the holes in. I have no idea. Obviously. So overall, I've been thoroughly pleased with these shoes. The one thing that I don't love, or it's not that I don't love it, I just need to fix it, is when you initially get these shoes, they're laced really nicely and really tightly, but when you go to put your foot in, you have to loosen up all the laces, and when you do that, the laces have like a creased or wrinkles in them because they have like this waxy kind of material to them, and they feel like a good quality type of lace. It doesn't feel like they're gonna fray or rip on you, but the fact that they're made just with this more durable material, they're less slippery. They don't slide through your eyelets. You literally have to loosen up each eyelet at a time. You can't just shove your foot in there and then your shoe will stretch out. It's not how these work. You have to literally go in and adjust all your laces. But when you do that, then some of the laces have wrinkles in them because they were already prior creased. So I might need to just take out all the laces, like iron them out or something, and then resize it for my exact foot size. Maybe that might be something I need to do. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section how people deal with wrinkled laces, because I also don't want to like iron them and then like ruin the waxy material that's on them either. So who knows? I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but that's one thing I noticed when wearing them is the laces are tied tight when you receive the shoes, and then if you want to loosen them up any, then your laces kind of have these wrinkles in them. I feel like all the shoes fit true to size. I just would order your normal sneaker size, and I feel like these will be great. I think they also offer like extra wide versions. I just got the standard and they feel fine. I don't have abnormally large foot, so these all work for me. If you're interested in picking up a pair of Thursday Boots sneakers, then I'll put a link in the description below. The link is just to Amazon because Thursday Boots doesn't have an affiliate program, so I'll actually make a little bit of commission if you purchase through Amazon. Now, do I need you to? No, I could care less. Order through Thursday Boots if you want to. I just wanted to make this video to let you know my thoughts about these shoes. What do I think about them? Are they worth getting? Yes, obviously, I would say. But there it is. Hopefully it helped. Have a good one.